magiging MVP.
At kauna-unahang may MVP. Ayan po. At so, ala kasi ng iba, kantahan lang ang pwedeng no? Ito, kakaiba po yan, sa ating My MVP. Bueno, mga kaibigan, balik aksyon po tayo dito as we approach the halfway mark ng ating third quarter. Naman po na isa ang Barangay Ginebra Jingis. Ito si Chris Alexander. Well, he made the last basket, pero ito nakapakasa lamang. Judy Valenzuela missing. Kinuwelyuhan na ni Che Reyes yung rebound doon. At nananatili pong dikitan itong laban natin, Hindi makalapit si J.R. Reyes. Marcus Gaines fires. Nothing there. That time, hindi pinayagan ng Barangay Ginebra na makasaksak doon ng Wildcat Dragons. And here's Alexander. That time, nakalapit to si Alexander, pero mintis. Ito po si Chris Alexander. An opportunity for Walco to grab the lead. Sad-sad, si Alex Compton.
Pushing foul on number 71, Ronald Tubid.
Ronald Tubid pa natawagan ng foul dito. Second foul on Ronald Tubid and Mark Caguioa reporting back.
Junti Vance for
Ginebra. Si Junti Valenzuela.
For Barangay Ginebra, gonna change up the face of their offense by bringing in Mark Caguioa. Last couple of attacks nila, nothing really happening para dito sa Barangay Ginebra. What a luxury kung pwede ka magpasok ng Mark Caguioa galing sa bench.
Galing sa bench, At ito nga, Joe Devance. Samantala, Joe Devance bagong pasok naman, replacing J.R. Reyes earlier. He now has 7 points. At doon nga po, nakuha muli ng Wellcott ang lamang dito. So somehow, ito pong Wellcott Dragons, lagi may pagsagot ng Jason dito sa Barangay Ginebra. Ito si Chris Alexander. Ito, nagmamadali si Chris. Pagpasa sa kanya, hindi niya hinihintay na dumating pa yung double team, dumidiscard na kagad.
That's right. That time around, didn't wait for the double. Even though the double was gonna come from the baseline, no time to react itong mga Dragons dahil mabilis ang atake.
At no time to react back. Ronald Tubid will miss. Gaines, half time. Wala pa rin dito ng Wellcott. Pinilapit na dito ni Marcus Gaines. Kanina napipilitan siyang tumira sa labas. This time nakakita ng konting daan si Marcus Gaines. He went straight to the hoop. He now has 20 points plus a foul to boot.
Right there, Chris Alexander may have given up a little too early. Nahuli siya, napalapit siya, tapos si Gaines kontra-tempo, pasok na lang ginawa. And then Eric Meck, a sitting duck right there dahil nasa no-charge zone siya.
Although hirap na hirap si Gaines sa laban nito with Chris Alexander on him, he has already managed to score 20 points.
Like I said, numbers-wise, mas maganda yung numero niya, and that continues to hold true. Although he's not shooting very well from the field, ang puntos at rebound napupunta dito kay Marquis Gaines kontra kay Chris Alexander.
And Mark Caguioa foul on Jair Ibanez. Second foul on Jair Ibanez. At nga po si Mark Despark Caguioa. Siya po nasa free throw line.
Came off the bench, tried to change the face of that offense. That's what he can bring you. Mark Caguioa can break down the defense single-handedly. At yun, nakita no, he got a foul, was able to get to the cup, and now he's at the free throw line.
Still number 1 among locals. Ito po si Mark Caguioa when it comes to scoring. And scoring 23 points per game, 2 for 2 from the free throw line. And he ties the ball game, 70 all. At eto, hindi ka pwedeng malingat pag nandiyan si Paul Artadi.
Penalty para dito sa Wellcott. 3:48 remaining.
Sa si Paul Artadi po, nasa free throw line. Kita mo sa Barangay Ginebra na reunite siya doon sa kanyang college teammate na si Ronald Tubid. Pero Paul Artadi
So I talk about a lot of people that have had better years this year compared to last year. Ito si Paul Artadi, yung move mula sa Pure Foods papunta sa Barangay Ginebra, change of scenery has really served him in good stead. Dahil nakita natin, nabuhayan ulit yung career nitong si Paul Artadi.
And look at this, Paul Artadi together with Mark Aguiwa and also JJ Halderbrand. Alam mo na ang bala ko dito ni Coach Johnny Chico. Donald Dulay pa. Yes! Second three-pointer. Para po dito kay Donald Dulay.
Number 18, Ryan Arana for the Navy game.
Alam mo, just when you thought, ano, na ika nga ready ka na, naiiwan ito yung welcome. Biglang sasagutin ka na isang three-pointer coming from an unlikely Donald Dulay. Mark Aguilar with a leisurely three, papasok din. Palitan na ng tres dito sa laban na ito. Almost a steal by Paul Artadi. Wala na si Ryan Arana.
Ang galing kumontra tempo kasi nito ni Ryan Arana. Lahat ng Barangay Ginebra, akala lay-up na siya. And he just changes the pace. Dumribol muna bago lumayap. Kaya nauna na lahat ng ano.
Isa sa mga attribute dito si Ryan Arana, mga kaibigan. Ano? At ito kay si Paul Artadi, meron na kay tira sa labas ito. Lalabas. My God, papasok yan. Meron pang foul.
You know, everyone talks about how you can get open is through speed, but the other way is through mobility. Kita mo yung stutter step na yun ni Mark Aguiwa. No choice, Ryan Arana nabura sa eksena. And right there, look at there, that stutter step. Kaya libre si Mark Aguiwa. And the nice thing about it is that finger roll ni Mark Aguiwa almost unblockable.
That's right, mga kaibigan. Sa ito, mga kaibigan. Pero po tayong timeout. Nakabalik po kami.